Hi everybody, welcome back. Yes, today we are having green lip mussel. I have a sauce there. I have sauce already all over. And I have toast bread, corn, and 3 eggs. And of course, I have rice right here. Let's get started. I'm gonna eat with my hands, by the way. So yeah. Oh, the sauce looks so good. Start off with the rice. Oh, this is so good. So much garlic and onion. On my next video, I will show you guys how I make my seafood boil sauce. Super good with rice. Those garlic. So good. Mmm. The egg. That is delicious. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So I have this, so I figured this must be good in the sauce. This is good. Never expect to be that good. Pretty good. I like that a lot. Just a minute. Okay. We're gonna dip it in there. And then we'll put, ooh, okay. Mussel there. I really like it. One more time. That's delicious. A good alternate for rice. So if you don't like rice or if you don't have rice, I definitely recommend this to try. That's so good. Suck a lot of juice. Oh man, this is so good. Some onion there. I am digging this. Look at that. Just way easier to eat when you slice it this small. That chin sure collect my lipstick when I eat. Oops. Hello. I'm getting so full already. Keep falling down. God, I'm so full. What's your favorite egg? I love the egg yolk. I can eat that just by itself. I can't finish it. I'll save this for later. I was actually planning to eat it all because this is all the mussel I have. I can't do it though. I'm not gonna force myself. Alright, thank you all very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you don't like rice, I would definitely suggest you to give a try of the toast bread. It's actually very good. I did not make this so crunchy, which is perfect for me because when I eat very crunchy food, somehow it I know, inside my mouth for some reason. But it actually worked really good because it's still soft, yet a little bit crunchy. So you're not just all chewing crunchy stuff with this. So yeah, give this a try with the mussel dipped in the juice. Oh, they're so good. It's actually my first time trying that, and I really like it. You can tell after I had my toast, I forgot all about my rice. So it's basically like a rice, good alternative for rice. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Watch out for my next video if you are curious or hoping to make a seafood boil sauce in easy way with very few spices on it, but yet so good. I will post it on my next video. All right, thank you very much for watching. I hope you will have a good day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.